In front of me is Honor 50, and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, just open your phone dialer, go to Contacts, and pick the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. Then select Edit, and now click on this camera icon, which is for profile picture. Now you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or choose something from your gallery. Then just pick the picture that you would like to apply. You can customize it then. Just pick the perfect position of the picture and then tap on confirmation mark. Click here to save again, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, this picture will be assigned to this contact. And that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.